Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a review of the Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1. If you've been looking for a way to make your meals healthier, tastier, and faster, then this might just be the appliance you need. Let's find out why it's been so popular in kitchens around the world. Product overview. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1 combines 4 essential cooking functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. This versatility means you can whip up crispy fries, perfectly roasted veggies, reheat yesterday's pizza, or even dehydrate fruits and veggies for healthy snacks. With a 5-quart capacity, it's perfect for family-sized portions. For example, it can hold up to 4 pounds of fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings. It also boasts air crisp technology, which heats up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to get that crispy, golden finish without the guilt of using too much oil. The result? Delicious food with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. Ease of use and cleaning. One of the standout features of this air fryer is how easy it is to use. The digital control panel makes it simple to set the temperature and time, and it heats up fast, so your meals are ready in no time. Whether you're frying up snacks, reheating leftovers, or roasting a full meal, the process is quick and efficient. Another great benefit is its non-stick basket and crisper plate, which make cleaning a breeze. Both are dishwasher safe, so you don't have to worry about tough cleanup after cooking. The non-stick surface ensures that food doesn't stick, and it's durable enough to handle daily use. Performance and key benefits. In terms of performance, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro delivers evenly cooked meals every time. Its high-powered fan circulates hot air to ensure consistent cooking, so you won't have to worry about undercooked or soggy food. Plus, it's energy efficient, reducing the need for preheating, which saves time and electricity. One of the biggest advantages is the ability to cook healthier meals. With less oil, you can enjoy fried foods like chicken wings, French fries, or even desserts, without compromising on taste or texture. Final thoughts and call to action. To wrap things up, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1 is a versatile, easy-to-use appliance that's perfect for anyone looking to save time in the kitchen while making healthier meals. Whether you're a busy professional or a home cook looking to simplify your meal prep, this air fryer offers great value. If you're interested in making your cooking easier and healthier, definitely consider adding this to your kitchen. Don't forget to check out the link below for more details, and if you liked this review, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product insights. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.